Hello again. This is your Minister of Capitalism, Brett Davison. And today I want to answer the question, how many years does it take to master options trading? Many people, including myself at one point in time, ask this question when they are new to options trading. And whenever someone asks me this question, I used to give them a simple answer. It takes a lifetime. But now that I have more experience, I think the question has three different parts. The first part is, how long does it take from having absolutely no knowledge about options until they are able to make their first option trade? The second is, what's the average amount of time required before someone can consistently make money trading options? And finally, part three, how long do you think it will take for someone to completely master options trading? Of course, for each of these answers, their ability to absorb and learn new information will have a big impact on the outcome. So let's answer each of these questions on their own. The first question was, how long does it take from having absolutely no knowledge about options until they are able to make their first option trade? Many people get intimidated by options trading, but it's not necessary to know a lot about them before you actually get started. The process for becoming an expert in this field is divided into three levels: novice, intermediate, and advanced. Some beginners may only need a few hours of instruction on how the market works and what different types of assets are available. And others might require weeks, if not months, before they are ready. Think about the process like this. Many people are aware of the basics of driving a car, but they don't know how to drive an 18-wheeler. Learning how to trade options is like learning how to operate an 18-wheel truck. You need additional training and knowledge beyond the basics. But to just get started, you can simply buy calls or puts, like we do inside the Empirical Collective. The strategy is as easy as buying long call options when you think that stock will go up, or purchasing put options when you think it will go down. Let's look at the second question now. What's the average amount of time required before someone can consistently make money trading options? In order to make an income as a trader, you need the ability and knowledge to consistently make profitable trades. And just how long this will take all depends on your skill level. But in general, you can become proficient within 1 or 2 years, depending on how much time you spend studying every day. The goal here can be to use different options trades that vary in complexity in order to increase your winning average. These more complex options trades are just creative ways of adding together different option positions in order to form trades that can profit in more ways than if a stock just goes up or down. As a matter of fact, some options techniques let you make money when the stock moves up, down, and even laterally. How's that for an advanced way to make profits? In this case, you're becoming more of a professional. You're going from being a regular driver to a NASCAR driver. You don't just need to learn about how a car works, you also have to research more on the various option strategies. In order for your strategy to be unique and personalized, it requires some in-depth understanding of what trade setups are available, as well as what suits your trading situation. And this can only happen with even more trading. Generally speaking, I would say each option strategy requires a minimum of 1 month's research, and then probably 3 more months of study using a practice trading account. For most people, they don't have time for this, as they have work and family obligations they have to take care of. This is why I am such a big advocate for joining a professional trade alerts program, because it gets you trading right away and you can maximize your chances of making money immediately. If that interests you, and if we still have room, you can join us inside the empiricalcollective.com. Let's look at the third question now. How long do you think it will take for someone to completely master options trading? So to move beyond just making consistent profits in the market to mastering is a big jump. Now you're moving beyond driving cars to actually making them. And for most, this level of mastery happens after years of effective trading. To go beyond this level involves returning to college and getting a full understanding of the derivative systems, the financial system itself, as well as numerous other economic factors. After university, it's a lifetime of research, study, and experimentation. So to master options trading will take a lifetime. If that's the path you're going to take, I wish you the best of luck on your journey. Once again, I'm your Minister of Capitalism, Brett Davison. And if you like making money, you owe it to yourself to join us inside the empiricalcollective.com.